Hi everyone, my name is Carolyn. I believe three assets that I bring to the class. The first one is primarily that I do work closely with two clinicians daily. As many of you know, clinicians also social workers. And I primarily focus on substance use and parent-child bonding and attachments. So I think that's something that, I've experienced firsthand with them and conducting the measures as well as therapeutic sessions, even assessments. I think another thing that I bring to the class is I have experience also with a higher up agency called Department of Children and Families. And there I've worked side by side also with social workers and clinicians that remove children from homes. So I got to see a different aspect of being in an in-home service that I'm currently in and not removing children, but being, a mandated reporter. And as I've also gotten the experience of having to remove the children from the homes that, there was neglect or abuse taking place in the home. Aside from, assets considered as experience, I think, in general, I've gained so much knowledge in the field with typing up my notes. I continuously do progress notes on my clients. Right now, they are considered case management notes, but when I do go out with a clinician, they are more therapeutically focused. And that sums it up. Thanks. Hope you enjoy the video.